Hello everyone. Today I would like to show you all how to use ChatGPT inside WhatsApp on your smartphone. Let's have a look. First, open WhatsApp on your smartphone. Then tap call option on bottom right. Tap green call button. Now tap new contact. You can do this by saving ChatGPT phone number to your iPhone or Android phone. Now type name for the new contact, type ChatGPT. For the country, select United States and type this phone number. The phone number is 1800-242-8478. Tap save. Now go back to chat section, search for ChatGPT, then hit ChatGPT. You will see ChatGPT business account. Once you are on the conversation screen with ChatGPT, write your message and hit send. You can also attach a picture and ask questions about it. Also, you can send voice message. So these are the steps to use ChatGPT inside WhatsApp. Hope this video help you. Please subscribe my channel by tap subscribe button. Also tap the bell icon to receive notifications about all new videos.